Leave a like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, or a potato will fly around your room.